What up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I'm super excited to bring you this recipe that's quick, easy, and perfect for summer. So I remember last year pledging to make more drink videos, and I know how much y'all loved my 2019 mocktails video, so I've got something that's kind of similar. Now, I will admit that I saw this online, but I just couldn't believe it to be true, so I had to add a little Sista Girl Tuesday spin on it. And y'all, when you see this ingredients list, promise me that you'll keep watching the video all the way through because the ingredients do actually work together. And I must say so myself, it is poppin'. So I really want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is add some ice to a glass. I ended up using about 1.5 cups. And then next I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of my favorite fruit preserve, which is apricot. And then I'm gonna add sparkling water. And I've got hibiscus in the fridge, so that's what I'm using. And you can use whatever you like. Once both of those ingredients are combined, you'll just wanna mix everything really, really well. And this is what it should look like. I'm going in with the lemon wedge for garnish. And now I've got a delicious summer sparkler. Let me know what you think.